Hi, good morning. In the previous video, we created monthly parking expense as a product in Odoo. Now, in part 2, I will show you how an expense can submit the parking expense to get reimbursed. So, let's start the process. First, go to expenses app and then click on my expenses here. Here you see the list of your personal expense entries. To create a new personal expense entry, click on new here. Fill all the required details in the form. So first give the description here, that is monthly parking June 2025. Select the category here, that is monthly parking. Here you see the unit price is automatically filled and total price is also automatically filled. And remember, paid by is set to the employer, not the company, because this tells the Odoo the employee paid from their own pocket. So it is said to be employee here. After fill all the required details, click on the save button. After save this, click on the create report to create a new report. Now the report has been created and click on the submit to manager button, because without approval you won't get reimbursed. Submit it to manager is the required information here, because it gives you the approval to get reimbursed. So first click on the submit to manager button here. You will see the status is here to submit from to submit to submitted. That means you have submitted your expense to manager for approval. And that's it. It is from employer side. This expense is now waiting for the manager approval. In the next part, we will cover how the manager reviews and approves the expenses, how it gets reimbursed by accounting team. So thank you.